Hello friends, and I'm Priyanka and welcome back to my channel. As you know, I have started my 90 days English speaking and learning journey. So friend, today my fifth day of English speaking practice and I'm practicing here. Friend, I'm practicing here on my daily basis. First of all, I want to show you something, friend. Look at the time. Yeah, it's almost a midnight. Yeah, 12:30 a.m. friend. So and I'm practicing now, friend. So everyone say that, friend. Everyone say that if you want to speak English, if you want to talk to if you want to talk to other person without hesitation, so you should you should read a book, you should watch English movies, you should and listen to English songs, friend. So today I listen an English song, and when I listen an English song, that time I thought that I think I should try to English song because of I love singing, and I'm really passionate to sing for singing, friend. So I have prepared some line of this song, friend. So please tell me, how's my pronunciation, is it correct or not? So let's start, friend. I'm just starting this song. Oh, love of mine, with song and a wine, you are harsh and divine, like truth and light. But the talent's not here, have a nothing to fear. My word is your love giving, and hold on. In the right emptiness, in a room full of it, is a cruel mysterious soul. I feel so unrest, there's so aloneness. Therefore, I have nowhere to go. I'm a poor, and I feel so lonely. There's a better place to than this emptiness. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes. So friend, this is a song, and i'm just uh, i'm just I'm just trying to sing this song, friend. And and as well as I try to understand this song's meaning, and yeah, what's the meaning of this particular song, friend. So this song basically a boy sing a song for her partner because of she left to him, friend. So I'm I can't explain a particular word word meaning of this song, friend, but overall I overall I like I try. I have I have to try the to understand this meaning, friends. And friend, okay.